Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe I'm going to share to make barbecue chicken in crock pot. Organic apple cider vinegar. Here I have Worcestershire sauce and barbecue sauce. Sugar. So that's all we need. Barbecue sauce. Put in a bowl. Half a cup brown sugar, 1 pot cup apple cider vinegar, and 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, and give them whisk. I have chicken breast. This will be delicious. So you cook low for 2 to 5 hours. You want to cook high 3 to 4 hours. I will be back. Let's check our barbecue chicken. Oh my goodness. It's garnished with green onion. This absolutely delicious slow cooker sweet barbecue chicken.